In this video, I'm going to show you how to pay your YouTube TV bill and manage your subscription payments easily. YouTube TV bills are charged automatically each month through the payment method linked to your account. But it's important to ensure everything is set up correctly to avoid interruptions. To check or update your payment details, log into your YouTube TV account on the website or app. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner and select Settings. From there, go to the Billing section. Here, you'll see your current payment method, billing history, and any outstanding charges. If your payment method needs updating, click Edit and enter your new credit or debit card information. If there's an overdue payment, YouTube TV will prompt you to settle it immediately. Simply confirm the amount and authorize the transaction. To avoid missed payments, ensure your card is valid and has sufficient funds. Unfortunately, YouTube TV doesn't allow manual one-time payments for future months, but you can prepay using a YouTube TV gift card from retailers like Costco or Best Buy. For billing issues, visit the YouTube TV Help Center or contact support via the Report a Problem feature. And that's all there is to it. If this video helped you learn how to pay your YouTube TV bill, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.